Scikit-learn multi-output classifier using GridSearchCV pipeline, OneVsRestClassifier, Scikit-classifier. I am attempting to build a multi-output model with GridSearchCV pipeline. The pipeline is giving me trouble because standard classifier examples don't have the OneVsRestClassifier wrapping the classifier. I'm using Scikit-learn 0.18 and Python 3.5. But this yields the error. Value error, invalid parameter estimator for estimator pipeline steps equals vect, count vectorizer analyzer equals word, binary equals false, decode underscore error equals strict, type equals encoding equals UTF-8, input equals content, lowercase equals true, max underscore df equals 0.5, max underscore features equals none, min underscore df equals 1, minram underscore range equals 1, 3. Preprocessor equals none, stop underscore words equals none, strip, underscore t equals 0.5, random underscore state equals 42, shuffle equals true, verbose equals 0, warm underscore start equals false, n underscore jobs equals 1. Check the list of available parameters with estimator.get underscore params.keys. So what is the correct way to pass parameters to CLF through the OneVsRestClassifier using param underscore grid in pipeline? Do I need to separate the vectorizer and cliv from the classifier in the pipeline?
Pass OneVsRestClassifier as a step of pipeline itself and Scikit-classifier as estimator of OneVsRestClassifier. You can go like this. Rest of the code can remain same. OneVsRestClassifier acts as a wrapper on other estimators.